Listen, that sound? That's not just a missed call. For a busy installer, that is the sound of pure operational noise. You know what else it is? It's the sound of a customer deciding to call your competitor.
And the real problem here isn't just about missing a call after 5 p.m. No, it's the constant, relentless interruptions all day long. Every single time that phone rings, it shatters concentration, it kills productivity, and it pulls you away from the actual job you're trying to get done.
So what are all these calls even about? Well, we looked at the data, and it turns out nearly half of them, we're talking 45 to 50%, are just for routine maintenance scheduling. Think about that. Repetitive, low-value stuff that still demands your immediate, high-value attention.
You know, one business owner we talked to put it perfectly. He said, "We don't miss deals, we miss phones." And that right there is the hidden revenue leakage that's happening in thousands of businesses every single day. The opportunity is literally knocking, but there's just no one there with the capacity to answer the door.
So this calls for a totally new kind of employee. It's time to hire your very first artificial colleague. We call it BizzPower, and it completely transforms your front office. From the very first ring all the way to a closed case, it's all automated.
Okay, so let me break down how BizzPower actually turns that chaos into total clarity. It's a really simple 4-step flow. First, a customer calls and our AI answers 24/7. Second, it instantly solves all those routine questions. Third, it either schedules the appointment or, if it's critical, escalates it. And finally, step 4, you get a perfectly structured task ready for you to take action. All the noise is gone, you just get the results.
We actually call this an AI front office triagist. And really, it's a whole new category of tool. It applies the classic 80-20 principle to your front office. It autonomously handles the 80% of routine, time-wasting calls, freeing up your team to focus on that critical 20% that actually grows the business.
Now you might be thinking, okay, but what about a receptionist or a call center? Well, let's look at the alternatives. A human receptionist, they're great, but they're one person with limited hours. A call center? Way too generic, and they can't integrate deeply into your workflow. And those simple booking tools, they only solve a tiny piece of the puzzle. BizzPower is fundamentally different. It doesn't just answer the phone, it does the work from start to finish.
But look, this isn't just a cool idea or a concept. Let's get into the proof. We're talking hard numbers from real-world clients and their performance.
Let's start with the big one, ROI. One of our clients is now recovering an estimated 6,160 euros every single month. And get this isn't from some new, expensive marketing campaign. This is pure profit that they're capturing from opportunities they were already missing.
And the market is absolutely responding. In just the last 30 days, we have handled over 2,100 interactions. That's not just interest. That's a massive signal of a strong, existing demand for a solution that actually works.
And the unit economics? They're just as strong. On an average revenue of 300 euros per customer, our variable costs are only 105. That gives us a really healthy 65% gross profit margin. So this business isn't just built to grow, it's built to scale profitably from day one.
When it comes to pricing, we keep it super transparent and tiered. It's designed to match our customers' needs, starting at just 149 euros a month and going all the way up to enterprise. So there's a plan for pretty much any size of operation.
So here's the really crucial point about our business model. It is sustainable. We have monthly subscriptions with usage caps, and our overage pricing makes sure that our revenue always exceeds our variable costs. What does that mean? It means we are funding our growth entirely from our own cash flow. We are not building to survive, we are built to win.
So why now? What makes this the perfect time? And more importantly, what's our strategy to go out there and win this market?
Our whole strategy starts with a very focused wedge. We are going to absolutely dominate the Dutch installer vertical first. Why? Because it's a market that is just ripe for disruption. They have high call volumes and an urgent, desperate need for efficiency. By focusing here, we can build deep, proprietary knowledge and create a product that is simply unbeatable for this market. And then we expand.
So, what are we asking for from you all today?
Our ask is incredibly simple. Step 1, select us as a finalist. That's it. Because step 2 is we want to run a live call demo for you right here on stage. You'll see it all. A real intake, a fully automated booking, and a perfectly structured case summary, all generated in just seconds. You won't just hear about the future of the front office, you will see it happen live.
We are BizzPower. It's time to stop answering calls and start closing cases.